Again, good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Right? Um, I am thinking about if all of your classmates already taken the second radical test at the same time the activities, previous activities in the second quarter. We need to move forward, right? Again, we need to move forward. We need to double check if they already done taking the exam, or else I might as well uh, have the item analysis today, okay? Because we're stuck. We're stuck with this because of your classmates. Did they did not respond?
They did, sir, but not everyone.
Okay. So let's start with the item analysis today. Okay. Alright, I'll be sharing my screen. Again, please turn on your camera. Let's go back to your second critical test. Let me share my screen. Can you see my shared screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in your second critical test, test 1A is a multiple choice. The system needs two normal faults occur whose fault planes are inclined, providing a common down-throw side between them. But do you think it's the answer? Janine,
See?
for number one, common down-throw.
Oblique slip fault.
No, not oblique. Rabi,
Um, Wait.
common down-throw.
Oh, step fault.
Step, step
Oh,
fault,
oh
common
yeah, it's the
down-throw.
trial fault.
It is throw.
The trial fault.
Correct. Number two, please read number two. Kurt, Kurt, number
It
two,
has
please read.
a component of deep slip fault and strike slip fault.
What do you think is the answer?
Oblique slip fault.
Correct. Number three, Janine. Janine, please read number three.
I number what, sir?
Three.
It is the downward block between two normal faults dipping towards each other.
Okay, downward. It is. What is the correct answer?
Footwall.
Downward between two. This is something to do with throw fault. Yes, Rabi.
The Graben.
Graben, correct. Okay. If it is downward, that is the graben. If it is in upward, that is the
Footwall.
footwall. If it
Ay,
is
horse.
downward, horse. Okay, number 4, let's have Hillary. Number 4, where's Inting? Inting. Hillary. Hillary. Okay, number 4, Kurt.
It is upward block between two normal faults dipping away from each other.
It is. Okay, yet do you think it's the answer?
Of course,
Of course, correct. Number 5, it occurs above the fault line. Janine.
Excuse me, what, sir?
The next number 5,
It occurs above the fault plane.
is
Hanging wall.
hanging wall, correct. Number 6, let's have Rabi.
It is a fracture or zone of fractures between two blocks of rock. A fault.
Fault, correct. Number 7, let's have Hillary. Is Yunting still with us? Hang out for a minute.
Teacher, she said her Wi-Fi is lagging.
Okay, let's continue, shall we?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Rabi.
Hillary said her internet is lagging.
Yeah, it's okay. I understand. Let's check the chat box. Okay. Next, where are we now?
Number 8.
Number 8. Let's have Andrade, number 8.
it involves the right as well as left motion or movement or of Earth crust.
Okay, what do you think is the answer? Left and right
Strike slip fault.
strike slip fault, correct. Number 9. Let's have Janine.
This is a fault system consisting of a number of faults with parallel fault planes. The separate separated blocks slipping in the same direction along parallel planes, giving a step-like feature.
Okay, what do you think is the answer?
Step fault.
Step fault, correct. Number 10, let's have Rabi.
It is. Excuse me, sir. It's too high.
Okay. Maybe because the interconnection. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. It is developed uh it is developed at an angle to the Earth's surface and relative movement or motion is up and down. Deep slip fault.
Deep slip fault, correct, because it's up and down. Okay, let's move to 1B, identifying terminologies. Number 11, let's have Kurt and Glade.
It is a region of mostly calm weather at the center of strong tropical cyclones.
What do you think?
The eye,
Again, Andrade? Come again?
the eye,
The eye or the eye of the typhoon. Correct. Number 12, let's have Janine.
This means without world. This means whirlwind and refers to a god who is also a monster and is personified as the father of wind, typhoon.
So what do you think is the answer?
Typhoon.
Typhoon. Okay. Number 13 rather. Let's have Rabi.
It is the Filipino term of northeast monsoon, which is the cool and dry northeast wind coming from Siberia and China and blows down to Southeast Asia.
Okay. What do you think is the answer?
Amihan
Amihan?
or Habagat.
What do you think is the answer, Rabi?
I think it's Amihan,
We're
sir.
guessing, Rabi. We're guessing.
Yes, I'm guessing. I don't remember much.
If it is, okay, let's unlock the difficulty. How can you remember this one? Okay. If it is northeast, there are two winds, the northeast and the southwest, right? If it is in the northeast, it is amihan.
Oh, okay.
If it is in southwest, if it is in north, that's amihan. A. Okay. If it is in south, it's H or habagat. So these are just few reminders. You need to think about the order of the letters, and you know you need to associate it with the terminology. Okay, A comes first, right? And N comes first. So amihan is equal to or associated with northeast, and habagat is associated with south or S
So,
west. Okay, this is how you study your lesson. We learn by association, so we need to associate. Okay,
okay, sir.
can you still see my shared screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again, northeast monsoon is amihan, southwest is habagat. Okay, let's move to number 15. Let's have whispered.
He left, sir.
I probably.
Okay, let's have Janine number 15.
It is the leading edge of a cooler mass of at air at ground level that replaces a warmer mass of air and lies within a pronounced surface through the low pressure.
Okay,
Mm,
this is the answer.
I don't know the answer, teacher.
It is the mixture of air. the cold masses, and the warm. So if it is mixture of cold and warm, this is how typhoon works. So therefore, this is what? This is cold front. Okay? Cold front. Usually this happens when there are some cyclones or tropical cyclones or depression. Okay? Warm
Low
air
pressure.
mixes with cold air. Okay? It's cold front. Now, have you heard the word tail of cold front?
Yes,
This
sir.
is reported.
No, I don't watch news, teacher.
Nah, you need to watch this, Janine. Just Korean.
Janine, keep watching the news. You'll get the olds.
I still
Okay,
don't know the answer.
let's move. Rabi, number 16.
This area encompasses almost all of the land territory of the Philippines, except for the southernmost portions of the province of Tawi-Tawi and some of the country's claimed islands in the Spratleys. The Philippine area of responsibility.
Correct. That's the Philippine area of responsibility or PAR. Okay. Number 17, Janine.
This happens when two blocks of the air suddenly slip past one another. A blizzard.
What do you think is the answer, Janine? Janine?
Sir, I still don't know the answers.
We've talked about this.
Okay, Rabi.
Fault.
Faulting? Yes, one. That's
Yes.
correct.
Wait.
But we're looking for the
Oh, wait,
correct
no.
answer.
Oh, yes, yes. There's quick, sir.
Earthquake. Correct. Okay. Faulting is correct, Rabi. It's faulting and earthquake. But we're referring to earthquake. Number 18, Rabi.
This measures the energy released at the source of the earthquake and determined from measurements on seismographs. The magnitude.
Okay. If it is measured or measure of energy release at the source of the earthquake, determine the measurement, it is magnitude. But if it is how far it is when it comes to destruction to humanity and structures, it is
Intensity.
intensity. So those are two different things. Okay. Again, if it is if it refers to the energy release, that is magnitude. But if it refers to
What is felt at a certain area, it is
area,
intensity.
correct. Hang on for a minute. I'm just looking at the test paper. Okay. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Let's move forward. Number 20, Janine.
It is the location below the Earth's surface where the earthquake starts.
Okay. What do you think is the
Uh,
answer?
The crust.
The location where the earthquake starts. Krabi?
I think it's the hypercenter. Wait, what's it called again?
Hmm?
Wait,
The focus
wait.
or hypocenter
Oh yes, hypocenter.
or the hypocenter.
Yes, hypocenter.
Okay. The next exam or type of exam in test 2 is comparing and contrasting. In answering comparing and contrasting with the use of Venn diagram, you need to put the common of these topics or these concepts at the center. So the purpose of having a space at the center is for you to write the common. What is common on those terminologies? Okay.
Teacher, wasn't it an essay in the online?
Yes. And again, even though it is in your online, in your LMS, if I am asking for a comparing and contrasting, or shall I say, compare two um, terminologies or concepts, you need to put the common. What would be the common of these terminologies? Simply because these are compared because there are some common terms also in those concepts. This is how we compare and contrast. Since we don't have enough time, let's continue by next meeting.
Okay,
And
teacher.
hopefully your other classmates can join. Okay. And hopefully also those
Okay,
of you
teacher.
who already taken the exam. Because again, we started already the item analysis and I cannot give an assurance that I can let them take the exam after this. Right? I think
Okay,
we're
sir.
all for today. Let's continue by next meeting. Thank you for your participation, Robbie and Janine. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Nice teacher.
Bye, sir.